In the name of Allah, I'm going to talk about the bulletin form and how we can make it available under a specified link. For example, it is available under form link or form folder in this website. I'm going to make it available on my own website under the same folder. So the steps is going to be explained here in this session. Here's the file. Let's delete this file. It's okay. Here, the zip file that contains or includes the source code of the form. So the first thing I'm doing is to upload the source file to the server side. I'm not going to upload all the folder exists in this zip file because it does not necessary to upload all of them. So I just need to upload this folder, the content of this folder. So I'm going to take it here. And then zipped it again. So for now, the source code is ready to be uploaded to the server side. Here's the server side. This zipped folder should be uploaded here, and it's already done. Next step, I'm going to extract this folder using the file manager. Let's see it. Here's the file manager I'm going to use. So let's check where it has been uploaded to the folder called form. So here, the folder called form. Here's the zip file. I'm going to extract it here. It's already done. I'm going to move the content of this folder to this directory. So select the content of it using move files. All of these folders should be moved directly to this folder. So they are ready. Now under public HTML there is a folder called form. The form includes the source code of the form I'm going to use in my domain. Next step is to configuration two files in the source code. The first file is called config.php.pkb. I should rename it. Then edit it. Here I should change one thing. It is here, paste URL login. Paste URL login is the folder where the source files of the forum is available under your domain. For example, here the folder is forum under this domain. In my own, the folder is forum under this domain. So I'm going to copy it, go here and paste it. That's all. Save changes. http.net forum. That's okay. Second thing, I'm going to change another file. It is here, includes. I should rename the file called config.php.new. It is gonna be renamed and edited. It's okay. First rename it config.php, rename, then edit it, config, edit. This file includes three important things. The first one, the name of the database, the username that has access to the created database, the password of the username. So here I need to create database and to create user, then grant all the privilege for this user and for this user to the created database. Let's see how could we do that. Here I should go to MySQL database and create a database. Let's call it forum. It's okay. Create database. So the created database called now I should create username from the same section. Should go here and create database. Let's call it have user bas 1 2 3 4 pass 1 2 3 4. It's okay. Create user. It's okay. Let's copy this information. Username, password. The last step is to allow the created user to access the created database from the same section. Here, I'm going to allow this user to access this database. Add. Here I should specify the privilege the user will get. So for now, let's select all privilege. It's okay. What I need is to input all of these information in this file. So edit it, and here first one is db name. It is the name of the database. Let's copy it from here, paste it, and here the username and the password. Save changes. Now everything is ready. The last step is to install it. How can we access the source for the source code to install it? We should go to the URL, this URL, press enter. Oops. It's okay. I should go to this folder. This folder includes the installation section. I get a message because the PHP version installed in the server side does not satisfy the required one. So for now, I have another server where the PHP version is satisfied with the form. So let's install it. Begin install. It's okay. Here's the name, the title of the form that appears here, and the core and the email. It's okay. It's okay. Here the username for the email. It's okay. You can show the details. So it is done, install complete. Now I can go to the install file or go to the admin control panel. Let's go to the admin control panel. Here the admin control panel. I get alert because I didn't delete the file of the installation file here. So another step is required. I should go to the core, then install, then delete this file. or rename it. It's okay now. Refresh it. The username and the password. Here's the control panel, and here is the forum itself. Thanks for watching.